Hi everyone. As you may know, when you accidentally delete an item from your Outlook or Outlook on the web mailbox, you can often recover it from the deleted items or trash folder. And if you can't find an item in the deleted items folder, you can check recoverable item folder. This video will show how to use PowerShell to display information about deleted mail stored in the Exchange mailbox. I'm going to use get recoverable items command in PowerShell, and this command is not available by default. So you need to log into Exchange Admin Center. So once you log into Exchange Admin Center, click on permissions, and under admin roles, you need to add this new role. I've already added, and it's called mailbox import and export role. But if you're going to do it for the first time, you're going to click on the new button. Then you're going to give it a name. For the right scope, we're going to keep it default. And here's the important part. So under role, click on add and look for mailbox import export role, which is this one. Mailbox import and export role. You can add this here. Click OK. Scroll down for members. If you're the one who's going to use PowerShell, so you can add yourself by clicking on the plus button and going to look for yourself or the user who's going to use PowerShell, and you can click on add. Then OK and click save. You need to wait at least a day or a few hours to be able to use this command in PowerShell. As I mentioned, I already enabled this role, so I'm going to go straight to the PowerShell and start using it. My first command is going to display only mail items that are stored in the deleted items or recycle bin folder in my Outlook. And here's this folder here, deleted items. So I'm going to use get recoverable items. Here I'm going to use that user's email address. Then I'm going to use source folder, and the source folder is going to be deleted items. Then I added sort-object to sort them in a descending order. If I press enter, I will get the list of everything that is stored in the deleted items folder. We get few information here. For example, we can see last parent path, it's shopping. So if we go here and it's talking about this folder. So I had a folder here called shopping, and if I delete something from this folder, it's going to show it here that this item was in the shopping folder. And here item class IPM-note, it means that this is an email message. So there are other item class that I'll share with you. For example, if it's a contact, it's going to be IPM.contact. For calendar item is going to be IPM appointment, and for task item is going to be IPM.task. So here you can tell this is an email address this user deleted it, and you can get the subject here, do more for mom. And if I go here, I can see this is the email that this user deleted it, and here's the subject here. You can see here the source folder is the deleted items. The last modified time was today's time, plus other information that you can get from this command. Now, let's say you want to display everything in the recoverable folder. It's the same command as the last one, but this time, instead of deleted items, I'm going to use recoverable items. I have 4 items in my recoverable folder, as you can see here, and it matches with this command here. And I sort them in a descending order. This command will give you the same information as the previous command, but we are looking into a different folder, and that's the difference. Now, let's say someone asks you, you need to look for a specific email with a specific subject instead of listing everything. You can use the same get recoverable items, but this time you can use subject contains. For example, I have this email in my deleted items, and here's the subject for that email. I'm going to pick sneakers, and let's see if I can pull up information in PowerShell. So again, I'm going to use get recoverable. And I use for my subject contains, I use sneakers, and I was able to find the email. So this email was in a deleted items folder, and that's the time that it got deleted. This is the entire subject of that email. I was able to find out that this email was in the marketing folder for this user. Now, let's say you want to know how many emails are stored in a deleted items and recoverable folders. You can use this command, get-recoverable items, and here's the username .count. So this number 16 is emails are in the deleted items plus everything in a recoverable folders. As you can see, I have 4 emails in the recoverable folder, and I have 12 in deleted items folder. So that's the count. if you see the 16 here. And finally, you can also export the list as a CSV file. And to do that, you can use get-recoverable items. Here's the user, and you can use export-csv plus the path that you want to download the report. If you don't want to export it as a CSV file, you can use out-grid view, and you can get the result in a separate window. For example, you can get item class, you can get the subject, and you can see where was it deleted from. So most of them are from the inbox. I have 3 emails from the different folders, 2 from the shopping folders and 1 from marketing. So I just went over a few commands that you can use to display deleted items in Exchange Online using PowerShell. In my next week video, I will show you how you can recover them using PowerShell. See you all next time.